What up, guys? It's me, Brandon, here from Gswaps, and guess what? We are back. Oh, also, I've got more details to tell. We have ourselves a little mini shop right here we're working on. There's the CRX, and here's the Integra again. But, I don't know, long story short, I ended up getting a shop, like a mini storage unit shop thing that I can work out of, which is kind of cool. And the car, and I know, I apologize, guys. I know it's been like a month or two since I've released a video or anything, but I'm back here in the shop finally, and we're doing this stuff again. But let me give a good update on the car, because it's been so long since you guys have seen it. Okay, car is running again, and I've got a new GTX 3582R turbo, boosted voice turbo actually. I decided to go with this one. And we have the up pipe made. It's done. This car is done. This car is almost done. And yes, it shoots fireballs. Two-step is amazing. And I can't wait to get to either Humble Performance or PFI Speed. Those are the two shops that I want to take my car to. It'll be sometime here shortly. I don't know, maybe in the next few months. Once I get some money saved up. I still have to buy an S300. I'm running this car on Chrome right now. Which is cool, it runs and everything. I can tune a little bit with it, but I can't do what I can do with an S300, or at least what Brent or Alex from Humble can do. So, on that note, I'm looking to buy one. If anybody has one used or something in the $300 to $400 range, let me know, because I'll buy it right now. But on the same note, I'm in the shop. We have been doing transmissions here lately. I have so many open case transmissions just sitting everywhere. There's one. There's two. There's one under the trash bag here. I picked up an LSD the other day, which is a Cusco LSD. There's just so much stuff that has been going on that, I just haven't been filming on, and I want to apologize to my fans for. But we're back. Gswaps is back in business. And on that note, I'm going to cut this video short. I know it's only about 3 minutes long, but I figure you guys would like to see the two steps. So I'm going to start the car, and I'm going to shoot some flames for you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy this nice day. It was kind of hot today, but enjoy it, and enjoy these flames. Gswaps, and have a great day. Thank you.
Alright, fire up, man.